One of the architectural wonders of Rajasthan, City Palace in Udaipur is the largest palace complex of the state. The most popular sightseeing place in Udaipur, City Palace stands magnificently on the eastern banks of Lake Pichola. Flanked by the Aravalli mountain range, City Palace is worth admiring for its natural settings that offer a breathtaking view of the surroundings. A must-visit tourist attraction in the city of lakes, City Palace is sure to mesmerize everyone with its splendid architecture and great history. Trip to Udaipur is definitely incomplete without the visit to magnificent City Palace. As you come towards the end of City Palace Udaipur Museum, you walk out through Toran Pole or the Arch Gate. As per the royal traditions, the royal bridegroom with his sword must touch the structure hanging on the top of the gate before entering the bride's home on the eve of his wedding, probably by using a long sword or by standing on an elephant. The history of City Palace is related to the kingdom of Mewar that has gone through several capital changes during the reign of its many rulers. The capital was first established in Nagra in 568 AD by Guhil, the first Maharana of Mewar. The construction of City Palace started under the reign of Maharana Uday Singh II and was enhanced subsequently by his successors over a period of 400 years. The Mewar royal family owns the entire palace complex and the structures in the complex are maintained by various trusts. The Fateh Prakash Palace and Shiv Nivas Palace are now transformed into heritage hotels. While entering the Ganesh Deodhi, you will see a small Ganesh idol right at the start of the tour. This marble idol is on the east side of City Palace Udaipur. The idol was placed here in 1620 by Rana Karan Singh and has delicate glass inlay work around it. Raj Angan, mostly referred to as Gol Mahal, is a beautiful dome-shaped structure constructed in the year 1572 by Maharana Uday Singh. It is considered as the king's courtyard where he used to address the grievances of his subjects. Amar Vilas. Located at the highest point of City Palace, Amar Vilas is an elevated garden that serves as the topmost court within the complex. Built in Mughal style architecture, Amar Vilas is the entry point to Badi Mahal, another alluring structure within the complex. Adorned with beautiful hanging gardens, fountains, towers and terraces, Amar Vilas served as a leisure home for Maharanas. The palaces in the complex are connected by chowks and the corridors in the palace are built in zigzag manner to evade any surprise attack from enemies. The Palace of Mirrors and Glasses is another beautiful structure in the complex built by Maharana Pratap for his wife Maharani Ajabde in the year of 1716. Also known as Great Palace, Garden Palace, Badi Mahal, is the main palace in the complex that sits magnificently on an 89-foot high rock formation. Badi Mahal houses a swimming pool which was used for holy celebrations in the past, and a hall that exhibits miniature paintings of 18th and 19th century. The beautiful wall paintings of Jag Mandir, Lord Vishnu of Jagdish Mandir, and elephant fight scenes are some of the other attractions here. A part of the inner courts of the palace, More Chowk or Peacock Square was built during the rule of Maharana Sajjan Singh about 200 years later than the initial establishment of the palace. Three peacocks depicting the three seasons, summer, winter and monsoon, magnificently adorn the walls of More Chowk. Decorated with glass and mirror mosaics, the three peacocks in More Chowk are crafted with around 5,000 glass pieces, glowing brightly in blue, green and gold colors. During the Battle of Haldi Ghati, Maharana Pratap lost the war to Mughal Emperor Akbar and Udaipur came under the rule of Mughals. After Akbar's death, Mewar was handed over to Maharana Pratap's son and successor Amar Singh,